The level of activity in 2021 has obviously been pretty pronounced. When you think about the quarterly activity, obviously the earlier part of 2021 we had a lot of pandemic influence. If you think about the later quarters, that was probably peak activity that we are likely to see at any particular time. If you level that out, I think 2022 will actually be pretty aggressive in terms of the number of M&A activity, number of firms transacting as well. And it is likely to temper a little bit beyond that, but there's so much capital fueling so much M&A activity. And there's also a lot of continuity planning that still needs to go through the system. So I think the activity level will still be maintained.
For the past 5 years, M&A levels have gone up. There's no reason to believe that they won't continue in 2022. We focus on the retirement side, and certainly there are more buyers. There are more sellers aware of M&A and really part of their business plan. There are better, bigger buyers, better, bigger sellers. A lot of the factors that play into this, whether it's cheap money, whether it's part of the business planning, whether it's private equity getting into the space, we expect that to continue next year.
It's obviously hard to predict where M&A volume will go. I think 2021 has been a crazy year, and I do think the tax implications, or the thought tax implications, did have an impact in boosting volume. So I do think that it'll level out some and maybe be less than what we saw in 2021. But with the amount of interested buyers, the amount of capital, and still the need for sellers to sell, I do think it'll be another strong year.
I think that RIA M&A activity in 2022 is going to continue to follow the trends that we've seen the last couple of years, including 2021. We're going to see more buyers, more sellers, and more deal variations and sizes and structures.
I was asked this recently. I think we'll be as good or better than 2021. A lot of interest in the industry, and the number of buyers is increasing. And with that, I think sellers' interest is increasing as well. So I think it'll be another record year.